Hello everyone, welcome back to Syntax Snicker. So today we will discuss nested if else. In our previous video we have discussed if statements and if else statement. Now we are going to implement nested if else. So let's take an example. What's happening in this, actually a user will come and he will enter his score. Based on the score we will decide which grade will be printed on the console. So first of all our user will enter his score. Let's say he entered something about 70. What is going to happen is, if we will add the condition if score is less than equal to 90, then print grade A. As if the score is less than equal to 80, print grade B. As if the score is greater than equal to 70, print grade C. As if score is greater than equal to 60, print grade D. Else print grade F. So what is going to happen is, the user entered 70. First of all, this condition will check, is the 70 greater than equal to 90? No, so this will not execute. Next, this statement will be checked. If the score is greater than equal to 80, then print grade B. Is this condition is true? No, this condition is false as well, so this will not be printed. Now this condition will be checked, as this 70 is equal, the user score is equal to the 70, so that will be printed on the console. Grade C will be printed. Once this condition becomes true and this statement is executed, the rest of the code will not be checked. This is how nested if else conditions work. Okay, I hope so this will get clear. Now we will take some other examples if you guys ask.